Matthew here one more time with Maxogram at Collision. You can see our sign behind us, and we've got our display along the way here. We had a number of different things that we were demonstrating today, mostly examples of entertainment, media, country music, singers, models, retail products like Crocs, and our own retail product, which is our Schmooze activated red wine. And we made over 60 connections today alone. That's not counting the ones that I made last night at the after hours, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna head over to after hours again tonight and try that routine again. It has been so revealing. And in particular, one of the things that I was most curious about, especially being at a tech conference such as this, was whether or not, because everyone's already in tech, if they might look at our product and be like, oh yeah, I've seen this before, or oh yeah, no, it's nothing new, or something like that. And not one, not even close to one. There was one guy that was like really, really cocky at first. And he's like, oh yeah, okay, it's QR code. And I'm like, well, actually, no, it's not. And he goes, yeah, it's basically the same thing. And I'm like, no, here's a QR code, which we had. And then I'm like, and then here's the difference. And he's like, oh, okay. And he goes, but still, you could just use a QR code. And I'm like, yeah. And then here's an example of where you couldn't use a QR code. And then we got him. And then for the next 20 minutes, proceeded to hear about all of his ideas of how we could use our technology instead of QR codes, which was great to hear. But anyway, that was one out of probably almost 100 actual conversations that we had just in this one day today. And otherwise, it was just a tremendous success. And if I look like I'm smiling from ear to ear right now, it's because I am.